Picture this. You're 85 years old, dancing at your great-grandchild's birthday party, lifting groceries without a second thought and walking upstairs like you're still in your 30s. What if I told you that 5 simple foods sitting in your kitchen right now could be the difference between a life of vitality and one limited by brittle bones? Today, we're diving deep into nature's most powerful bone-building arsenal, and by the end of this video, you'll discover why these everyday foods are more effective than expensive supplements and potentially life-changing for anyone over 40. Here's something most doctors won't tell you. Your bones are living tissue that completely rebuild themselves every 10 years. That means the food choices you make today are literally constructing the skeleton that will carry you through your golden years. But here's the shocking part: most people are unknowingly destroying their bone density every single day through common dietary mistakes that could easily be avoided. The statistics are alarming. Every 30 seconds, someone in America suffers a fracture due to osteoporosis. Women lose up to 20% of their bone density in the 5 to 7 years following menopause, while men aren't immune either, facing significant bone loss after age 70. But here's what gives me hope. Recent research from leading universities has identified specific foods that can actually reverse this process, naturally rebuilding bone strength from the inside out. Let's start with the first powerhouse food that's probably sitting in your refrigerator right now: leafy green vegetables, specifically kale, spinach, and collard greens. These nutritional champions contain a mineral that most people have never heard of but desperately need: vitamin K2. Unlike its cousin vitamin K1, which helps with blood clotting, K2 acts like a traffic director in your body, ensuring calcium goes exactly where it belongs, into your bones, not your arteries. A groundbreaking study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed over 72,000 women for 10 years and found that those consuming the highest amounts of vitamin K had a 30% lower risk of hip fractures. But here's the secret most people miss. You need to eat these greens with a healthy fat to absorb the K2 properly. Try sautéing your spinach in olive oil, or adding avocado to your kale salad. The second bone-building superstar will surprise you: sardines. Before you wrinkle your nose, hear me out. These tiny fish are nature's perfect bone supplement, packed with calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids in ideal proportions. Just one 3.5-ounce serving provides more calcium than a glass of milk, plus the vitamin D needed to actually absorb that calcium. But here's what makes sardines truly special. They contain virtually no mercury compared to larger fish, and they're one of the few whole foods that provide vitamin D naturally. Researchers at Tufts University discovered that people who ate fish rich in omega-3s twice a week had significantly denser bones than those who didn't. The magic happens because omega-3s reduce inflammation throughout your body, including the chronic inflammation that slowly eats away at bone tissue as we age. Our third bone-strengthening champion is something you might already enjoy: almonds. These crunchy delights are calcium powerhouses, containing more of this crucial mineral per serving than most dairy products. But almonds offer something milk can't: magnesium, which is equally important for bone health but often overlooked. Here's a fascinating fact: calcium and magnesium work as a team. Without adequate magnesium, your body can't properly utilize calcium, which explains why some people take calcium supplements for years without seeing improvements in their bone density. A single ounce of almonds provides about 75 milligrams of magnesium, helping ensure every bit of calcium you consume goes to work building stronger bones. The fourth food on our list might shock you: prunes. Yes, those wrinkled fruits your grandmother ate. Recent research from Florida State University found that eating just 5 to 6 prunes daily significantly improved bone density in postmenopausal women. The study was so compelling that researchers called prunes the most effective fruit for preventing bone loss. Prunes work their magic through a compound called boron, which helps your body retain calcium and magnesium while supporting the production of hormones essential for bone formation. They also contain vitamin K and potassium, creating a synergistic effect that builds bones from multiple angles. The best part? Unlike medications, prunes have zero side effects and actually improve your overall health. Our fifth and final bone-building superstar is Greek yogurt, but not just any variety. You need the full-fat, plain version to maximize benefits. Greek yogurt provides an incredible amount of protein, about twice as much as regular yogurt, which is crucial because your bones are roughly 50% protein. But here's what makes Greek yogurt truly special for bone health. It contains probiotics that improve calcium absorption in your intestines. Recent research shows that people with healthier gut bacteria absorb significantly more calcium from their food. The protein in Greek yogurt also stimulates the production of IGF-1, a growth factor that promotes bone formation. Now, here's the game-changing secret that ties everything together: timing matters. Your body absorbs calcium most efficiently when you spread your intake throughout the day rather than consuming it all at once. Try having Greek yogurt with almonds for breakfast, a spinach salad with sardines for lunch, and a handful of prunes as an afternoon snack. But remember, building stronger bones isn't just about what you eat, it's also about what you avoid. Sugar, excessive caffeine, and processed foods can actually leach calcium from your bones. Even moderate alcohol consumption can interfere with your body's ability to absorb calcium and vitamin D. The beautiful truth about natural bone health is that these foods work synergistically, each one enhancing the effects of the others. Unlike isolated supplements, whole foods provide nutrients in perfect ratios that your body recognizes and utilizes efficiently. Here's your action plan. Start with just one of these foods this week. Add a handful of almonds to your morning routine, or swap your regular yogurt for Greek yogurt. Small, consistent changes create remarkable results over time. Your bones are investing in your future every single day. Make sure you're giving them the premium building materials they deserve. Remember, it's never too late to start building stronger bones naturally. Remember, according to Harvard Health Publishing, about 3/4 of all broken hips happen to women, which dramatically increases the loss of independence and dying earlier. They also state that foods rich in vitamin D and calcium go a long way, but exercise, especially exercises that make you move your body weight against gravity, also strengthens bones in order to stay stronger longer. Which of these 5 foods will you add to your shopping list this week? Almonds, Greek yogurt, prunes, sardines, spinach, kale, or collard greens? Let me know in the comments below. Consider subscribing to the Daily Avocado for more natural health solutions that actually work. Join us on a journey to find natural ways to build strong bones, to make small changes in your daily routines, and to help keep your body and mind thriving.